Dispatch, come in. Dispatch, come in.
Dispatch, go ahead.
Yeah, we're at the location. What's going on here again?
Be advised, there's a large male allegedly wielding a chainsaw wearing a mask in that area. Calls made to the location, potential kidnapping, so please proceed with caution.
10-4.
Yeah, we should definitely call for some backup.
Nah. You got it? You scared? Come on, man. What, you scared?
I'm not, no. Scared?
I'm gonna need your eyes and ears sharp when we get in here. You understand me?
Listen, we pull up, we knock around, don't nothing happen, and we go home. That's it. That's all that's about to happen.
You know what, you're right. What am I tripping for, you know? Hey, man, you know what, you're right, man. What am I tripping for?
Right.
What am I tripping for? Come on, man. It's
saying.
funny, man. I'm tripping, right?
You're tripping.
You're right, man. I'm tripping, man. I mean, like, masked assailant, chainsaw, disclosed location. What's the worst that can happen, right? I mean, God forbid we actually do see the masked assailant in this undisclosed abandoned location who they actually have a chainsaw and be out to kill us, right? Cut us up into tiny little pieces, right? Just like every other Baltimore City stop, right?
I mean, when you put it like that, don't you think we should call for the backup, though?
Look, just make sure you got all your tools, everything that you need. You got your,
Yes, bro, I have my clip, bro. You always...
You have your clip? Let me see. Let me make sure.
I have my clip,
Okay.
bro. Come on, bro. I wouldn't do that again.
All right.
Forgot it one time. I want to make it seem like I always forget my clip.
Don't forget your clip. I need you to have my back when we get in there. You understand me?
That was a one-off, bro.
That was one time.
And you keep bringing it
that
up, too.
was
That's
one
the thing.
time too
You
many.
always bringing that shit up, bro. I'm tired of you bringing that up.
Because I want to make sure that when we go in there, that you actually have my back.
But you gotta let people live past their mistakes, bro. That's the thing. You always keep bringing it up. It keep bringing me back to that same moment.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? You gotta give people grace sometimes.
Okay.
I forget the clip one time, bro. One time I forget the clip. And I gotta keep reliving that shit.
Hear me out. I got a family to go home to, too.
I have a dog, bro. We both got shit we gotta go home to. Let's go figure this shit out and nothing gonna happen and then we can go home.
You got me?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Bro, we should have called for backup.
Baltimore City Police. Anybody in here?
See what?
Baltimore City Police Department. Anybody in here? Baltimore City Police Department.
Harris, my 6'9". Let's go. Some goddamn mess in here. It's stinking. Oh, Jason.
stink in here. We should just leave.
Come on, get your shit together. Come on. Shit, it does stink in this motherfucker. Damn. You better hold that shit in.
It smells like shit. It smells like something.
Hold it together. Wait. Shh, you hear that? What?
It's like 10 cans of ass.
Help me, please.
Shit. Harris, get in there.
We're gonna get you out of here. Okay. How long have you
He's
been
gonna.
here?
I don't know.
Jake's coming. Let's get her out of here.
He's gonna.
Get a free shit.
Okay, we're gonna get you out of here. Okay? Don't worry. Stay with me, okay?
Wait, shh.
It's him.
Who? You I'm gonna fucking blow you to smithereens, you piece of shit. Oh, fuck! Come on! Come on! Oh, fuck! That door's locked. And there's my clip right there. Fuck. I'm on foot. Fuck it.